I just need to keep resetting until there's a beehive right at the start. And then I just need to get lucky with the second.
Welcome to your...
And I need to get lucky with the... what is it called? Wait, is that a... Ugh, let's go. Oh, I'm not gonna have enough sprints. No, chill. Wait, am I not gonna have enough? No, I have enough sprint. We're chilling. Ouch. Ouch, that hurt. Is there any other beehives? Wait, 126? Oh my squiggly diggly. Okay, doesn't look rainy. Please, just please give it. Please, just give me a beehive. Please. Oh! Oh, pretty please with the cherry on top. Oh my squiggly diggly. No! Don't go inside. Why are you inside my ship? No, why are they inside my ship? No, why are they inside my ship? Nice. Wait, 128? Okay. Yo. Oh. I thought it's scary. What if it falls through the map? Come on, I can get this one over. I'm not risking it. I lost a run by dying to the bell. Oh shoot, I could have taken off. You know what? That's alright. I could have taken off sooner. You know what? There's always next time though. We're definitely gonna submit this one run. Sub 4 minutes. But more importantly, we got the $27 overtime bonus. Thanks for watching. Bye.